Must-have bags for fall. We have a fun fall haul bag today from Verano Hill, so let's get unboxing. If you haven't heard of Verano Hill, they have affordable luxury bags at really good price points. We got 3 bags here. I'm not sure which one's which, so we're just going to open them up. So this is the first one. So gorgeous. I love this beautiful suede. I feel like suede is just always in for fall time. Also comes with a longer strap. This is just like the perfect everyday fall bag. This is what it looks like inside. So there's 2 compartments and then a zipper pocket in the back. And it's also extendable here on the side. Nice and chic. Okay, next bag here. I hope I'm saying it right, but this one is the Dione woven handbag. I got it in black. Has a nice top handle here. The woven part is so beautiful. Nice and luxurious. This also comes with a longer strap. And you can also use this side if you want something much more simple. There's 2 compartments here as well. There's a pocket in the back here. Not a zipper pocket, just like a nice little card pocket. Has a really nice weight to it as well. It just has a nice little turn lock right there. So gorgeous. I don't have that many black bags and I wanted something a little bit different. I love this woven detail. This will be another great bag for fall. Last but not least, gorgeous woven olive handbag. I am obsessed with this color for fall. It's just so different and so unique. Feels really nice, like really good quality. It has a magnetic closure. It also comes with a little pocket inside. You don't have to use that, like you don't have to throw everything in this pocket because this is really great quality and nice and thick, but it's really nice that they throw this in here. Love the shape of this bag. It's just a nice little throw it over the shoulder bag and you're good to go out the door. But I think this might be my mom bag for fall. This one is called the Jocelyn shoulder bag. It comes in 3 other colors, black, a brown, and a white or a cream color. If you're looking for new bags for fall, definitely check out Verano Hill. Luxury style at affordable price point. You can't really go wrong. I will link the styles that I'm sharing in the description box below. If you enjoyed today's video, please feel free to hit that like button. And if you don't want to miss another video, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.